Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have started chapter 4 plants around us, and we have discussed about the types of plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. We have already discussed about the two habitats of terrestrial plants, plants of hills and plants of plains, and I also told you about the difference between plants of hills and plants of plains. Today we are going to discuss about rest three habitats, plants of hot and wet regions, plants of marshy area and plants of desert. So now we are going to start with plants of hot and wet regions. Before starting, I am going to tell you what is hot and wet region. Hot climate means measure of heat is higher in specific region, whereas wet climate means there is water everywhere or amount of moisture is more. So look at the picture. This is the picture of hot and wet region. You can see in the picture that there is lot of water everywhere, and lot of heat also. So moisture is more and heat is also higher. Plants like tree, rubber tree, coconut tree, they are found in these type of regions. These plants have lot of leaves and they shed their leaves gradually. It means sometimes they shed their leaves, so that's why they are called evergreen trees. Plants like pepper, cotton, rice, banana, these also grow in hot and wet regions. Now I'm going to explain about the plants of marshy area. So can you tell me what is marshy area? A marsh is a type of wetland, an area of land where water covers ground for long period of time. There is deficiency of oxygen, means shortage of oxygen. The plants grow in marshy area have special roots, as I told you in chapter 2 roots. Look at the picture. Here is a mangrove tree, and we have already discussed about mangrove plant in chapter 2 roots. These plants have special roots. They are called breathing roots because its main roots do not get sufficient oxygen from the soil. So it has some special roots that come out from the soil above the water level and take oxygen from air. There is a homework for you. You read about the plants of hot and wet regions and plants of marshy area from your book. In the next video, we will discuss about plants of desert area. Thank you. Have a nice day.